You're gonna need some fabrics, ribbons, a few decoration beads, some threads, needles, a scissor, and some dried herbs. First, fold the piece in half and stitch the top side together. Then sew the short side, left with about 1 centimeter on the edge. Next, make a small tie on your ribbon and put into the piece. Make sure it stays on the bottom. You can add a few stitches to make the ribbon fully tighten. Once done, cut the unused thread and turn the piece inside out. Now you can fill with some dried herbs. And then fold the edges inside and make some final stitches. Last but not least, put the bead through the ribbon. Now you have your handmade sachet.